In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge tags in Mailchimp. Merge tags are one of the most useful personalization features inside Mailchimp because they allow you to automatically insert subscriber information directly into your emails. Instead of sending the same generic message to everyone, you can personalize your campaigns with details like a subscriber's first name, last name, or other audience information. This helps your emails feel more professional, engaging, and tailored to each recipient. To get started, log into your Mailchimp account and head over to your dashboard. From there, navigate to the Campaigns section where all your email drafts and existing campaigns are stored. Find the campaign you want to personalize and click on Edit Design. This will open Mailchimp's email editor where you can customize the layout, text, and overall appearance of your campaign. Once you are inside the editor, locate the text content block where you want the merge tag to appear. Many people choose to place merge tags in the greeting section at the top of the email, but you can also use them inside paragraphs, promotional sections, or even the footer if you are working with custom audience fields. Click directly inside the text block so the editing options become available. Now look toward the formatting toolbar above the text area. This toolbar contains different editing features such as text alignment, font controls, and link options. Within that same toolbar, you will notice a drop-down menu labeled Merge Tags. Click on this option to view the available personalization fields connected to your Mailchimp audience. Mailchimp will display a list of merge tags based on the information stored in your subscriber list. This may include fields like first name, last name, email address, birthday information, or any custom audience data you have collected. Choose the merge tag you want to insert into your email. For example, if you want your email to greet subscribers by their first name, select the First Name option from the drop-down list. Once selected, Mailchimp will automatically place the merge tag code into your text block. The code may appear as a short label surrounded by special characters inside the editor. This is completely normal and simply acts as a placeholder for subscriber data. When your email is delivered, recipients will not see the code itself. Instead, they will see their actual information inserted into the message automatically. This creates a more personalized experience that can improve engagement and make your emails feel more direct and human. After inserting the merge tag, continue editing your sentence naturally around it so the message flows smoothly. Before sending your campaign, it is always a smart idea to use Mailchimp's preview and test email features. This allows you to confirm that your merge tags are displaying correctly and pulling the right information from your audience list. And that's it. You now know how to use merge tags in Mailchimp to create more personalized and engaging email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.